Welcome to the woods. Cozy up next to the fire and wait for company. They won't be long. Defend your fireplace from the monsters that come from the trees. Collect resources to help you survive. Evade the knot deer at all costs. Set traps to slow him, and kill him to focus your attention on the haints putting out your fire. Don't forget to protect your car as well, so you won't be getting any supplies for the next night. Find vantage points to protect your fire with your assault rifle, your handy pistol, and your powerful shotgun. In your downtime, make sure you head to your car to pick up supplies like traps, bandages, and the Granny Witch's candles to heal your fire. Don't forget to head upstairs to restock your ammo from the ammo chest before you head back down to start the next night. How long can you last in the woods?